Hello dear students. So today this video is for class 12th and today we will talk about factors influencing attitude formation. So as we have already discussed that what is attitude, it means the beliefs, feelings, action, tendencies of an individual or group of individuals toward any object, ideas and people. These are the different factors that influence our attitude like social factors, instructions, family, prejudices, personal experiences, media, educational and religious institutions, physical and economical factors. So, these are the factors that influence our attitude. Like social factors, every society has majority of people who prefer to live a harmonious life. They try to avoid unnecessary friction of conflicts with people. So naturally they are inclined to develop positive attitude towards most of the people and issues. So our attitudes may facilitate and maintain our relationship with members of positively valued groups. So social roles, social norms can have a strong influence on attitudes. Now the next is family. The family is the most powerful source for the formation of attitudes. The parents, elder brother, sister provide information about various things, and the attitudes developed by an individual, whether positive or negative, are the result of family influence, which is very powerful and difficult to change. And the next is prejudices. An attitude may involve a prejudice in which we prejudge an issue without giving unbiased consideration to all the evidence. Prejudice are preconceived ideas or judgments where one develops some attitude towards other people or object without knowing them. And if we are prejudiced against a person who is accused of crime, we may regard him as guilty regardless of evidence. So we can also be prejudiced in favor of something. So prejudice is also one of the factor of attitude. Now the next is the personal experience. In order to be the basis of attitudes, personal experience have left a strong impression. Therefore, the attitude will be more easily formed when personal experience involves, that is, the emotional factors. In situations involving emotions, appreciation will be more in depth experience and longer trace. Now the next is media. As a means of communication, mass media such as television, radio has a major influence in shaping people's opinion and beliefs. There is a new information on something that provides a foundation for the emergence of new cognitive attitudes towards it. Now the next is educational and the religious institution that are also the major factor of our attitude formation. As a system, educational and religious institution have a strong influence in shaping attitude because they lay the foundation of understanding and moral concepts within the individual. And understanding the good and the bad, the dividing line between something that can and cannot do is obtained from the center of educational and religious institution. Now the next is economic status and occupation. It is also one of the factor that affects our attitude formation, like it contributes to attitude formation change. They determine in part of our attitude toward unions and the management and our belief that certain laws are good or bad. So our socio-economic background influences our present and future attitude. So in the end, I would like to conclude with saying that attitude reflects more than just positive or negative evaluations. They include other characteristics such as importance, certainty, accessibility, and associated knowledge. Attitudes are more important in the study of social psychology because they influence the amount of attention and the type of judgment an individual may give to specific subject. I hope you have understood different factors that influence attitude formation. Thank you and have a nice day.